This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace struts on 2013 Hyundai Elantra. Begin by securing the car and gathering tools, then loosen lug nuts before jacking. Use rated jack stands and remove the wheel to access the strut. Follow manufacturer torque specs and keep parts organized. Work one side at a time to compare assemblies and inspect mounts, sway bar links, and brake lines for wear before installing new struts. Collect parts and lay out tools to save time and avoid mistakes. Verify the new strut matches the original unit and that mounts and hardware are included. A spring compressor is required if reusing springs, but buying full assembled struts saves time. Keep a torque chart handy and use penetrating oil on stubborn bolts. Plan for about an hour per side if you have basic experience and a helper to assist. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, perfect for garage work or long drives. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. I dropped the link and some deals in the description so you can grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start by partially lowering the control arm to take tension off the strut, then remove the sway bar link and brake hose bracket. Unbolt the lower strut bolts and remove the top mount nuts while supporting the assembly. Swap the old strut for the new unit, tighten top nuts, snug lower bolts, then torque everything to spec. Reinstall the wheel, lower the car, and perform a cautious test drive to confirm handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.